Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to restore Google Authenticator on your device. So let's get started. So the first one that you would need is that you would need the smartphone wherein you would want to log in your Google Authenticator. And then the next one is basically any device, as long as you have the Gmail account that you would want to use to log in into your smartphone on your Google Authenticator. So yeah, as you can see, this is my other device and I have my Gmail or Google account logged in here that I want to log in into my smartphone with a Google Authenticator. So from here, what we're gonna do is go into google.com. And from here, click on your profile right here and click on manage your Google account. So from here, you wanna click on security next. And then from here, you wanna scroll down until you see the Authenticator app right here. So you wanna click on this one. And then from here, the next thing is click on Setup Authenticator. And then now you would have the QR code right here. So all you have to do is basically grab your phone. And then from there, you would need to go into the Google Authenticator. So from here, once you are in Google Authenticator, tap on the plus icon right here so that you would be able to scan a QR code. So tap on scan QR code and then just scan the QR that appears on this screen right here on your other device. Just like that. And now, just like that, we now have our Google Authenticator here in our phone. Now that we have the QR code scanned, now we have it here in the Google Authenticator. So click on next, and then you would need to enter the code right here that you would see right here. So code right there. So let's just go type it out, 649871, and click on verify. And now it's verifying the code, and now you have now successfully connected it right here. As you can see, you now have your authenticator added just now. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.